In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix email bounce back issues in Gmail. If you're facing this common problem, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the steps you need to follow to resolve it efficiently. We'll dive right in and make sure your emails are landing successfully in the recipient's inbox. To embark on this fix, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, head over to Google, which is our trusty go-to source for solutions. In the search bar, type "How to fix email bounce back Gmail." Hit enter, and Google will swiftly present you with a plethora of resources and guides on this topic. Once the search results populate, look for articles or materials that directly address Gmail email bounce back issues. You're likely to find several options, including detailed guides and community support pages. Click on a resource that you feel most comfortable with or one that seems to be well-reviewed or reputed. While exploring these resources, pay attention to common causes for bounced emails, such as invalid email addresses, full inboxes, server issues, or misconfigured email settings. Understanding these underlying issues will equip you with better knowledge to tackle the problem effectively. Once you've identified a possible cause from your reading, proceed to troubleshoot according to the recommendations given. For example, if your emails are bouncing back due to incorrect addresses, double-checking the recipient's email information is a good start. Make sure there are no typos or errors in the email address itself. If the problem seems to be related to server settings or full inboxes, consult the instructions provided in your chosen guide to adjust settings accordingly. Typically, such adjustments might involve logging into your Gmail settings, ensuring your account's configuration aligns with recommended parameters, or reaching out to your mail server support for further assistance. As you go through this process, take notes on what adjustments you have made. This keeps you organized and simplifies backtracking in case any unexpected issues arise. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on identifying and fixing bounce-back email issues in Gmail. By following these steps, you should soon see an improvement in your email delivery success rate. Just remember, persistence is key. And with practice, troubleshooting becomes second nature. If you found this guide helpful, do leave a comment or question. I'm always here to assist and look forward to hearing about how this process worked for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your emailing.